too hard because I honestly don't remember how deep this goes. So welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. Hey, what we're planning to get done today is we are going to remove the window regulator. Once we remove that window regulator, we're also gonna reinstall another window regulator that we took off the parts car. So I'm just gonna show you this step by step. But yes, it has happened again. Now it's on the right side passenger back. So we're gonna take care of that today. So anyways, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, make sure y'all like the channel, and make sure y'all drop a comment down below so we can know how we could, do better, or what we're doing, if we're doing good things and great things on the channel. So without further ado, we ain't gonna waste no more time. Make sure y'all stay positive, make sure y'all stay motivated, because guess what, I am today. Happy New Year to everybody. Hey, we just gonna start working today. So while I'm doing this, I'm probably gonna be running a live as well. So anyways, just make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And now we're just gonna hop straight into this video. Let's go. So we have power to the car. I'm gonna show you how we came to the conclusion that the regulator is bad. How we know that this window regulator is bad? Press the button. All right, so y'all hear that sound? All right, pull it up. Pull it up. You see, so you hear that sound? You notice it's not moving up or down, but I could move it. All right, let it go. Don't press the buttons, please. This window is all the way messed up. So what we're gonna do again is remove this whole cover off. What we're gonna do, there should be one right here, one under here, one over here, and two down the bottom. And then we're gonna take basically a trim remover, and then just basically pry it off, and then get to everything that we need to get to. So we're gonna do that right now, and then we just start attacking what we need to attack. So now you know, because now we have no power at all. All right, turn the ignition off. All right, so I have my blue painter's tape that I'm going to use to basically hold the window up. Once I do that, the next thing that I have to do is we're just going to start removing some of the things. One of the simplest things that I'll say to remove is basically this, because it's like you pull back and then it's out. So this is the easiest thing to remove. And the second easiest thing to remove, I want to say, is this, because all you got to do is push your thumb in right there, and then this should pop out, and then it's just like that, it's out. So now that we have those two things out, you could see the one bolt that I told you about, and then another one right here. And then we could just basically pry this up a little bit. Go too hard because I honestly don't remember how deep this goes. So I'm gonna just take my time to remember which way is the better way. Probably sound like I broke a clip already. Hopefully I didn't though. All right, so we have it up. Now I'm slowly going. All right, so we have it all the way out. So yep, so we have all of our clips. None of them are broken, which I thought I did break one. This white piece basically came off. They probably fell down in here. But yes, so we have two screws. We have one right here and one over here. So one of the screws are right here, one of the screws over here, and then we have this switch right here. So to remove this switch, all you got to do is press down and pull out, and that's what we're gonna do. Is press down and it's out. So remove this. Now we have everything exposed that we need to expose. No tabs were broken, so that is good. So that means we know what we're doing. Now all I gotta do, I think, as I said, this either be a 6. These top ones should be either a 6 or a 8 or a 7. So I'm gonna go get that right now, and we're gonna start working. All right, for those who want to know, this is a 7mm right here and an 8mm right here to remove it. So it should be, I want to say a 7 right here. It's gonna be a 7 over here, I think a 7 right here, and the 8mm are from this one up top and the 2 down the bottom. So I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse so y'all could see what's going on. So now when we remove all of the bolts or all the stuff out, we're just gonna basically start prying up the side of the door and get it off. There is some pieces up top here that you need to basically push in, I want to say, and that's how you would have gotten it to remove basically, and then that's how you basically will take the whole thing off. So we're going to do that right now. Now that we got the door cover off, the next thing that we're gonna do is basically we're gonna turn all these, and once we turn them, there should be a hook. This is like a spot for a hook, and there's another one over here. It's another spot. It's like you gotta kind of push it up and then, I want to say, turn it out or something like that. And then there's the bolt right here that holds the window. So what's the plan next is to push this window up, tape it. Once we tape it, then all I'm gonna do is remove the wiring harness from all of this stuff. Then what I'm gonna use is this to basically, I want to say, move the window up and down a little bit to determine how I want certain things to be, and then that should be it. So I'm gonna do that right now and then keep going. Finally got it off. As you can see, this is the reason why all the wires inside here is chewed up, and so this is the reason why. I wonder if it's a similar thing. Hopefully the next one don't have this issue. So I'm gonna put a new one in now. So in the time lapse, you could see when I was trying to pull it down and it couldn't move. So these two hooks hook inside of the window, and that's what holds it, and then this hooks inside of the bottom of the window as well. So that's the reason why for that. So now this hooks in the window, and then this piece hooks inside of the door, and basically is right here. So I guess it's like hold as a placeholder in a sense. So, and then you have to basically press this clip out, and when you press this clip out, you could remove this outside of the door, so you don't have to break these tabs, because you're definitely gonna need them when putting the door back in, because it won't close. So now what we're gonna do is put you on another time lapse, and then we're gonna put everything back together. get those hooks in, and then you see that everything is flat across, then now you could like start pushing these in, and then you see they go straight into the holes that the respective holes that they need to be in. That one is in, that one is in, that one is in, that one is in with no issues. So I don't have to force anything because the hooks are in place where it needs to be. So I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna put you on a time lapse while I do everything else. So just enjoy. So we just did everything. So I'm gonna try to see if this works. So I got no power. You sure you turned on everything? You wind the window down up from over there. Yeah. Press it all the way down. That's it. All right, pull it back up. Down again. Up again. All right, stop. Don't touch anything. Take your head off it. So now I need to know why this button is not working. So now this is something that's concerning because this was working. So I need to know what's going on right here. So we're gonna figure out that real quick. Hold on. Alright. So yeah, I had the window lock on over there. So see when I press it down, it goes down, put it right back up, comes back up. Yeah, so that's everything. Now I'm just gonna take this off and then just start putting back everything on back together, and then we call it a day. So let's just hurry up and do that. Alright, so you can see we finally got it done. So now you know it goes all the way down, but it goes down fast for some reason and comes back up slow. I don't know what that has to deal with it, but you can see that we get that done. I'll go close the door and we're gonna watch, see if it's gonna keep closed. Can't open, and then open it. So just close right here, open it, open it from there, close it right here, and then you open it from inside or whatever, and you see that it works. So I mean, everything is good. Windows going down, going up. So honestly, I want to say we in the money. everything works, everything is fine, and that is good. So I'm honestly happy with the results. It's a good thing we had an extra window regulator. So I want to know if it's a prominent issue in these cars. So that's it for this episode on We Rebuilds. You saw everything that we got done. It is just probably more than like a watered down video, but I mean, it's the second time me doing it, so I just made some more content for y'all. Because the last time we did the left side, now this time we did the driver's side, the right side. So now, hopefully we don't have any more, but we still have 2 extra window regulators from the other car, and that's why it's a good reason why I kept some of these parts. And our next process is to basically take off the rest of the small little things off that other Ford outside. I'll probably get it towed away, and we're just done with it. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for sharing, and thank y'all for making sure y'all subscribe. I had a fantastic 2024 with y'all. We're gonna go into 2025 really strong, and you know, Happy New Year's again to everyone. This video, you know, it was a good one, but we have a lot more content coming for y'all, especially now that we know that the 2018 Audi S5 is done. And that was a big milestone for us for We Rebuilds, because we have been working on that car for about 4 years, or close to 4 years, or I'll just say 4 years. So I mean, we've already got it done. Now we're just doing the small things. So the next thing, we have a whole bunch of stuff to tear down on this car, and a lot more content for that. But we ain't gonna waste no more time. Hey, stay positive, stay motivated, and remember, our haters are our biggest motivators, because guess what? They wish that they could do what we do, and they can't do what we do. But I'll thank y'all for watching. Hey, and guess what? Stay motivated. I'll see you guys next time.